sample of an ACA plan and what each of these things mean. So I put this zip code in Texas. Let's make the person 45, female, tobacco user, and it has 3 members in the household and the same tax filing. What is the most important thing when you're looking for healthcare? Okay, and I'll put the link so you can go and check your rates in Florida, Texas, and Ohio. The most important thing is not the premium, it's the deductible. So I'm going to go here and put lowest deductible. Yes, that's the one with the lowest deductible. Let's go back here for in network provider. So the monthly premium is what you pay monthly, right? The deductible is what the plan makes you pay before they cover you. And the out of pocket max is the amount of the most that you pay for the year for your healthcare services, okay? By the way, if you want to know, the best 2 plans that I'm actually telling people to go is with Blue Cross Blue Shield and United Healthcare. That's why I'm doing this. And then you want to be sure that you get easy pricing. Why? Because although you might have a higher deductible, the easy pricing makes it that you can actually get some benefits before you reach that deductible, including doctor, specialist visits, mental health, urgent care, physical, speech, and occupational therapy, and generic and most preferred drugs. Okay? So if you don't have the money to get a low deductible, it's like I show you, the low deductible premiums are higher um, than, see, and these are actually, this is one that is not bad. 706, it has 30 PCP visits. So when you go to the primary care, you pay 30, 60 for specialists and rewards. I don't know what that means. It's an HMO and the deductible is 2,000. So you once you pay the 2,000, usually it covers you, but because of the easy pricing, you know, if you're gonna do the easy pricing, might as well go with a higher deductible. See, this is another one, 529, the premium monthly. The deductible is 3,000 and the out-of-pocket max is 7,400. So if you get sick a lot, you're gonna go to the doctor in the hospital and all this stuff, I recommend that you have a lower deductible. Okay? But if you don't, go with the lowest premium, go with the lowest premium, and that has the easy pricing. Thereby, then you can actually start using your benefits as soon as possible. And one thing I don't know if you noticed that Blue Cross Blue Shield is actually one of the best plans, but they're very expensive. So if you don't have the money, go with United Healthcare. If you have specific doctors and drugs that you use, you can add that here. Where is it? In the hospital and prescription. But look at now, I'm just changed. I just want United Healthcare. Let's erase all the other stuff. And then 395 for a plan for a person that's making 55,000 and has 3 household member. Um, and I will go with this one because it has dental and vision. It's an HMO, so you gotta go to the specific doctor and then he refers you out to the specialist. It has the easy pricing, it has this premium, but um, that's actually the one that I will go now. You say I don't have that money. Okay, so let's do this.